How are you doing? कैसे हैं आप? All well. So nice to see you. Same here. So today I'm. Dada, silence. So today.
Please, Nana, 5 minutes, Nana.
So now I'm with Kumari auntie. You know, we have heard a lot about her. She is a self-made lady. We talk about women empowerment. We talk about how everyone should work hard for the families. Kumari auntie is the best example. And all the people, all the ladies, all the women across the country, whoever is,